Hi guys, welcome to our show. I'm Sylla-Bear, and this is my friend Billy Bear. Billy Bear, Billy Bear. Okay, I think they got that. All right, let's get started. Okay, so today we're going to learn more about letters and sounds. Remember we said letters stand for sounds that we write down. 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 Yeah. So let's talk about some letters today that stand for sounds. You know what I like to say? I like to say letters spell sounds. That's what I like to say. Letters spell sounds. Okay. Could you give me an example of a letter that spells a sound? Sure I can. Okay, ready? Here we go. The letter A. A? Yeah, the letter A. What sound does that spell? The letter A spells the sound A, and the letter A spells the sound ah. What? Yeah, the letter A spells the sound A, like in ape, and the letter A spells the sound ah, like in apple. Wow, that is so cool. Yeah, let's try. A spells A spells ah, A spells A spells ah. Well, can I try that? Sure, Billy Bear, go ahead. A spells A spells ah, A spells A spells ah. Wow, you did a great job. Well, that's it, guys. Remember, the letter A spells the sound A, and it also spells the sound ah. The word ape begins with the letter A because it spells the sound A. And the word apple begins with the letter A because it spells the first sound ah. Apple. Yeah. So once again, what do we learn? A spells A spells ah, A spells A spells ah. I love the letter A. Yeah, me too. But don't get carried away, Billy Bear. I love it so much. I'm gonna hug the letter. Oh, Billy Bear, please don't do that. It's so embarrassing. Oh my goodness. But I love the letter A. Okay, Billy Bear. We'll see you later, folks. Okay. Bye bye. Let Billy Bear love the letter A some more. We both love the letter A. Bye bye.